Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to see all of your linked accounts on your Steam account. So basically, such as Discord, Battle.net, Uplay and all of that. So first of all, we're going to go in the Steam application. We're going to go in the top left corner and press on the help button, and then we're going to press on Steam support. Once we're here, we're going to go on to my account. Then we're going to go into data related to your Steam account. And we're going to scroll all the way at the bottom and contact Steam support. And then we're going to send them a message. I have this sample message here. You can use the same one if you like. It worked for me. And we're just going to press send and contact Steam support. And in a time period of a few hours, they should reach back and tell you all of the linked accounts that you have to your Steam account. Unfortunately, this is the only way of doing this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.